Hey fitness fanatics, I'm DaveWeLike and welcome to my video about BaseBar. Typically when you think of pull-up bars, you think of a door frame and falling off of it constantly, right? So BaseBar is on the floor, so you'll never have to worry about damaging your door frame and almost injuring and killing yourself. So let's get into the unboxing portion, and of course it's a big box. So we've got to go ahead and pull apart the box with some staples, as well as there's some tape around here. And then I love it when they put a box within the box. Isn't that hilarious? But within this box, this is where all of the goodness is stored. Let's go ahead and pull out the bars themselves, which are wrapped up in bubble wrap. Essentially, you've got three different pieces. You've got the two legs, as well as the bar itself. So you're going to slide the bar as well as the legs into place, and of course use the grenade click pins to insert into the hole. And this is where, it's a little challenging and it's going to take some time to get that right angle. So for me, I set it up to be in the tallest position possible, which is just over 4 feet. The lower position's around 2.75 feet. And just for reference, I'm 6'1", so that's why I'm really interested in the BaseBar, is because it's taller than any other sort of dip bar that I've used in the past. As you can see here, this is my previous dip bar compared to the BaseBar, and it's like, one's for kids and one's for adults at the end of the day. This is insane, the size difference, based on not just the height, but also the width. So, you can see as I'm just trying to do any sort of movement with my previous dip bar, my arms were rubbing against the bars, so I wasn't getting a fluid movement without, feeling some sort of pain. And with the BaseBar, I've got plenty of room to spare. So talking about the bar itself, it's pretty thick, and there's a mild texture to it where it's still smooth to the touch, but I'm sure when you kind of grip onto it, it just gives you that extra edge to make it easier to hold. The feet of the BaseBar do have some rubber grips to them, so it shouldn't really slide around as you're kind of swinging around on the bar. For the most part, all the exercise positions that I tried out, the bar remained very stable on the ground. The only position that it did start wobbling was when I had to jump on up to do a dip. If you want to be a little bit more stabilized when you do that, you might want to set it to the shorter setting. Anyway, if you're looking for a new pull-up bar experience, I definitely recommend that you check out the BaseBar. It is an awesome product to use. If you liked this video and you found it helpful, smack the like button as well as subscribe to this channel for more videos coming soon.